Hey cruisers, 2026 is reshaping everything about sailing, and most people booking right now have zero clue. From secret fee hikes to brand new ship rules, these 9 major changes could save you hundreds or cost you big if you're not prepared. All right, let's count them down from number 9 to the biggest one at number 1. These are the real 2026 shifts every cruiser, first-timer or veteran needs to know. Number 9. The explosion of adult-only sailings. Cruise lines are rolling out way more adults-only itineraries and even entire ships geared toward couples and solo travelers. Families are still welcome on most sailings, but if you want peace and quiet, these new options are exploding. Prepare by checking your sailing's age policy early. Some lines are now strictly 18 plus on select dates. Number 8. Loyalty programs are getting a total overhaul. Carnival switching from nights sailed to dollars spent. Royal Caribbean and Celebrity are tweaking status matching and point systems. What used to be easy status is now tied to how much you spend on board. If you've been cruising for years on points alone, you might drop a tier in 2026. So start tracking your spending now and use those status match offers before they tighten. Number 7. Bundled pricing is the new normal. Drink packages, Wi-Fi, and gratuities are getting rolled into bigger all-in bundles that look like a deal until you do the math. Some lines are quietly raising the price of individual add-ons so the bundle feels like the only smart choice. Pro tip: always calculate both ways before you buy. Number 6. Wi-Fi prices keep climbing, but the quality is finally improving. Expect to pay $25 to $35 per day for decent speeds on most major lines. The good news: new ships launching in 2026 have Starlink-level connectivity. If staying connected matters to you, book the fastest package the second you board or consider one of the new premium plans. Number 5. Megaships and wild new attractions are everywhere. Disney Adventure, Norwegian Luna with its insane slide coaster, and Royal Caribbean's next Icon-class ship are all debuting. These floating cities have more restaurants, slides, and shows than ever, but they also mean bigger crowds at peak times. Prepare by booking specialty dining and shows the moment your booking window opens. Number 4. Private islands and beach clubs are getting upgrades and new fees. More lines are pouring millions into their private destinations, but some are now charging extra for premium cabanas, water toys, or even entry on certain days. The experience is better than ever, but your port day budget might need adjusting. Number 3. Sustainability rules are getting stricter. New ships like Viking's hydrogen-powered vessel are leading the charge, and older ships are retrofitting fast. Expect more restrictions on single-use plastics, better recycling enforcement, and even occasional no-discharge zones. Pack reusable items and be ready to follow the greener rules. It's the future of cruising. Number 2. Gratuities and daily fees are quietly rising across the board. Carnival raised them fleet-wide in April 2026. Other lines are following with small but noticeable bumps. That included feeling is shifting. Double-check your final bill and budget an extra $2 to $4 per person per day so you're not surprised. And the number 1 biggest change you must prepare for: stricter rules on what you can bring on board. Power strips with surge protection, certain vaping devices, smart glasses in some areas, and even specific alcohol limits are being enforced harder than ever. Some lines raised the minimum age for toddlers on longer sailings. Read the prohibited items list twice before you pack. One wrong item can get confiscated at the gangway. So there you have it. The 9 major changes hitting cruises in 2026. Some are exciting, hello, epic new ships, while others might pinch your wallet or change how you pack and plan. The key? Stay informed, book early, and read the fine print. If this video saved you from a nasty surprise, smash that like button, drop a comment with which change shocked you the most, and subscribe for more 2026 cruise hacks, money-saving tips, and secret itineraries. I drop new videos every week, so turn on notifications and I'll see you in the next one. Fair winds and calm seas. I'll catch you on board.